Good morning. I thought I'd do a quick video showing you how you can see some of your kids' results or like minutes they've spent on MobyMax. So right now what you need to do is log in, and then you're going to go to data. And I usually just go to time summary. It's really quick. It shows all your kids at once. At the top, you can go to just whatever the recent day is that they worked, or you can do the 30-day summary. I just hit 30-day summary because it shows me all their work that they've done since I assigned it. You'll see that I don't have a ton of kids working on it, but the ones that are working on it, you can actually click on their name. So I'm going to just choose Victor here at the top. If you click on his name, it's going to show you what days he worked and how many minutes he was on it. And then it'll show you over here that he did science for 66 minutes and math for 121 minutes. If you want to get out, you just X out and you're back to this screen again. So I can go to another student. Let's see what Gio's been doing. I click on Gio. He's done the same thing. It tells you what days he was on. It tells you he was on math for 73 minutes and science for 28 minutes. You can go through and do this with all of your kids that are actually on MobyMax and working and see what they are doing. Good luck and have fun.